Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to leave a club on Clubhouse. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Now you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. Now at the bottom of your profile you will see all the clubs you are member of. Now tap on the club icon you want to leave. And it will take you to the clubs page. On the clubs page you can see the information about the club. You can also see other club members. Now to leave the club, tap on three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Leave Club. And that's how you can leave a club very easily on Clubhouse. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.